What's going on, guys? I'll be quick with the intro here. We've got about 2 minutes of some cool stunts with the E Revo here, trying to do more precision driving. Hopefully you guys end up enjoying this. I'll just shut up and let the clips play out as they go. If you enjoy this, let me know. We could try and do more with other cars. I had a bunch of ideas to try out here with some potentially cool jumps and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys at the end of this. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Hope to see you guys in the next one. If you want to see more, let me know, because this was a lot of work putting it together. This seemed like a good way to end the video. Thanks for watching.